Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared black rice. Black rice is my childhood favorite dish, I would call it, because as kids we grew up eating this every week. Due to the scarcity or the cultivation of this rice, we stopped preparing it. And recently I found this in Trichy when I visited my mother-in-law. A store in Trichy carries this particular rice. So this black rice is about 150 grams. I measured it and added it to a pressure cooker. You can also find this black rice on Amazon, but I have not purchased it from Amazon. Do try the organic store which sells this black rice. It's called as Karuppukavuniarisi on Amazon. You can purchase it from there. I'm going to be soaking this rice for 2 hours. After soaking this rice, I'll be straining it. I'll wash it twice, and I'll add 2.5 cups of water to this rice and place it directly on the stove. Normally when we cook rice, we don't add salt, but you can add salt and cook the rice. This particular rice will be grainy. It will not cook all the way through, or it's not going to be mushy all the way through. It will be grainy, and it requires 1, 2 or 3 times you need to open the pressure cooker and recook it, stir it and cook it. So here what I have done is I've cooked the rice, placed the whistle, cooked the rice for 6 whistles. Then I placed it on very low flame and cooked it for another 5 minutes. So that much time it takes for the rice to cook. So once the rice is cooked, you can add your own toppings to this. I have added coconut, grated coconut. This is how they used to serve it in my house. And coconut milk, about 1 cup of coconut milk. I'll boil this along with 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can add sugar, jaggery, it's up to you. Just stir everything and bring it to a rapid boil for 5 to 10 minutes. The rice will absorb all that coconut milk and it will be nice and mushy. For diabetic people, avoid the coconut milk, sugar. You can have this rice along with yogurt, salt and cucumber. So if you want to eat it in a very healthy way, prepare it that way and have it. I've also added a pinch of salt. I've boiled this for 5 minutes. As you can see, the coconut milk is completely, the rice has absorbed that coconut milk completely and it is cooked well. Now at this point, I'll remove it from the flame and I'm going to be serving it. I have not added any cardamom or any flavoring agents to this because the rice flavor itself is so good and it's very nice and tasty. Do try this recipe, friends. I'll post all the measures in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.